Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we'll just be going ahead and doing quick lesson 7 on the ball switch, which is, I guess, very self-explanatory. Basically, the ball switch is I guess for a simplistic explanation, it's just like it's a motion detector. It works as if there's a ball inside of the little device you see here, and as you can there's a ball inside. When the device tilts to one end, the ball will roll, and then it will short the two conductive ends of the device. Actually, it will short the two conductive ends of the device by going like this. Then if I go the other way, then the connection gets removed, and then the signal will stop. So that's how you can kind of manipulate inputs from the tilt ball switch, and that's how it kind of acts as a switch, right? So it can work as a motion detector, a motion detection device, but as they're doing a PDF I have pulled up here says it's not exactly the greatest precise instrument in the world, but it can still be used for a lot of cool things. For example, like one application that I'm just thinking of right now is like if I want to make sure my contraption or my device or whatever doesn't fall over, then I can have the tilt ball switch, and let's say like the contraption falls over, then I can have it like light up or send a signal back to like via Bluetooth or via like something, right? To like any of my devices to notify like, hey, you need to go check on your device or your instrument. So that's just one thing. You probably use it for a bunch of other things like toys, gadgets. Yep. Anyways, let's just go ahead and see what it does. Be very, very quick. Oh, okay. First of all, let me just go ahead and we're going to the trusty USB connection. So let's go ahead and do that. Also becoming, by doing these tutorials and actually like I guess recording them, I've gotten a lot better at like breaking down like the admittedly simple code, but it's still pretty good to be able to do that. Let me go ahead and open the code. Lesson 7, ball switch. Very cool. And here we go. Selecting board. Okay, let's go ahead and walk through it for a second though. Basically, constant int LED pin 13. Okay. I don't actually know what this is saying because like when I was reading the instructions for this device, all it's basically doing is it's going to use the LED on the Arduino board itself. So I guess this is probably what references it, but I actually don't know why it does that. I don't know why pin 13 references the LED, but it's fine, I guess. Setup. Yeah, this is just initialize as it says here. It's initializing the LED pin as output. Pin mode 2. Okay, this is just connecting, making sure that pin mode 2 is the input, so the ball switch is now characterized as the input. Actually, I don't know what digital write means as well. I think these are like some like specific, um, I wouldn't say like just specific syntax I'm not familiar with yet, but try and learn it. Um, and the loop is just it's just a basic if else statement that if the ball switch is high, then I guess the LED turns off. If it's low, then it turns it on, or vice versa. Let's go ahead and actually test it out. I'm just gonna upload it real quick. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, okay. So we have here. If I tilt, let's see. If I tilt, it's up, so the ball rolls down. LED turns up. When the ball rolls the other way, then LED turns off. So if the ball makes the connection, then it turns on. So let's go ahead and look back at the code. Let's just kind of see how this works, just out of curiosity. LED pin, if high, turns it off. Okay. So I think it's actually quite interesting how this works. Okay, maybe I'll attach a comment to see if I figure this out, but this might just be. I'm kind of confused with the if else statement because for my logic, it would be the other way around. If that makes sense. Or does it really matter? How might not matter? If high, what even does high mean? So I'm just thinking out loud here. High is not declared. Okay, no, digital val, digital read. Okay, so okay, it means it's reading the second pin. Cool. If it's high, then it turns it off. So I guess high means it's not connected. Let's just search it up. Oh, I need to connect my thing back. The video should be ended, but I'm kind of curious. To make sure I remember to do this. Forward tilt ball switch for Arduino. I shouldn't be googling it like this, but you know what? We'll see if this works. Does high mean? Should I share something? Yeah, okay, yeah. High typically means switch is open and not making contact. Okay. Yeah, kind of weird. Kind of weird for me, so, like putting a question in the Google search bar, but I guess the AI overview makes that really helpful. So, anyways, cool. We were right. So now we know what high means. Cool. We're learning. Oh, see you in the next one. Woo!